Hello, I'm Levi Diaz, and this is my web app, Social Find. So, this idea is built off the idea of supporting minority businesses around the United States. A lot of time for DEI, a lot of people want to support local minority businesses, and so I thought a website like this could help out, and it became a very interesting idea. So this website is built with PHP, MySQL, and Bootstrap. It uses the LAMP stack. It uses the Apache server to just host it locally. And yeah, so this is the home splash page here. Just simple enough, designed, professional in the background. And so we're going to go ahead and create a account with us. So to go ahead and start an account, we can go ahead and create our username and password. So full name, Levi Diaz, excuse me, and let's say my username is Levi the Best. Or actually, yeah, Levi the Best, why not? And just to show you something cool, I'm going to go ahead and mess up for my password this first time. So let's say that you messed up on your password right here, and that these passwords don't match. You go ahead and submit it, and it will let you know that your passwords didn't match. It won't allow you to forget your password. So let's go ahead and retry that. Full name is Levi Diaz. Levi the Best. And for your password, put in something simple. And boom. There you are. So, with that, I want to point out that you automatically log in. You are automatically logged in. You don't have to re-log in or anything like that. That is a feature that I added to the website recently that wasn't originally there. I want to go ahead and show you what it looks like to log out. You are able to log out of this, and there you'll see on the CMS that I created that you are no longer logged in or there. So let's go ahead and log in. So let's say I put in my username correctly, but let's say I put in my password incorrectly. There we are. It will let me know that I have an incorrect password and it won't let me log in. But let's say that I have the correct password but the wrong username. It'll let me know that my username is incorrect. So it won't let me log in based off that. So you do have to have the correct password and correct username in order to log in. That's a security feature. And so both of those are something that I was able to add through PHP verification for extra security. Also, I'd like to mention that every area that you are able to write anything, it is cleansed, so there is no SQL, there is no possibility of any SQL injections. I won't give an example right now because that's not what I want to focus on, but that is an extra security feature that I put in. So in all these, you cannot write any SQL injection that will work because the input is cleansed. Alright, so now I want to show you another area. So I've created my own CMS, my content management system for this. You can see here, as I was showing you, the log in, log out, minority-owned businesses, which is just this web page, which I'll go into a little bit later. And then over here, we can also post our business. So let's go ahead and decide to post a business that we want to do. So, all this is self-made completely. This is our CMS system where you're able to input content. So let's say I can think of a place called Victor's Taco Shop that is very delicious up here in Delaware, Ohio. If you haven't tried it, I'd recommend it. And you can upload an image from here. So let's go to my downloads. Victor's Taco Shop. I have an image of it right here. So something that I want to point out is something that's very interesting. I haven't seen it in a lot of other areas, but I kind of wanted to focus a little bit on the accessibility with this. So description of image for those with disabilities. So I can describe what is inside the image. So in this image, I'll just say a picture of Victor's taco shop from the outside. Boom. And then we can go ahead and write a description or just a review of this place. So let's say taco shop in Delaware, Ohio, very delicious. Perfect. So then we can add an address. I'm not sure about their address, so we'll just say 123 Columbus, Ohio. And the business type is Mexican food. Perfect. And I do believe the owner is Hispanic or Latino. Sorry for the spelling error right there. So something about this is that I'll show you once we submit it, but the business address and the business type is not something that's shown. Neither is the ethnicity or race of the business yet. That's something that I'd like to expand on with the personal website, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Perfect. So here is Victor's Taco Shop that we were just talking about. You can see it's changed a little bit, and you can see some previous posts that have been made here. A lot of these are examples, but here we have Victor's Taco Shop. Taco shop in Delaware, Ohio, very delicious. So just something plain and simple right there. You can see each one of these are called. They have their own little card here. It's perfect. Now something that's interesting that I wanted to mention before is the accessibility that is in here. So you remember how we had a description for those with disabilities? Well, here we have this. So for the alt, we have the user's input for the alt tag here. So a picture of Victor's Taco Shop from the outside, and that's put in directly into the HTML right there. So those with disabilities, this is something that's friendly. Just to show you an example real quick, this is a dynamic web page, you know, mobile first built. It is built with Bootstrap. So here we are. You can see for the CMS content right here, this turns into a sandwich bar right there. Easy. There we are. Sorry, my computer is a little bit slow right now because I have so many tabs open while recording. But you can see that it is mobile friendly and a dynamic web page. So that is about it for the Social Find website. Some things that I want to mention, just about things that I'd like to add in the future and improve on, is I'd like to be able to delete I'd like to be able to delete these cards right here. So if you're the owner of one of these cards that you uploaded to business, maybe you made an error or something, you can delete it. Also adding the option to edit it would be nice. That's something that I'd like to add in the future. And as I mentioned, I wanted to show the business address, the business type, so if it's Mexican food, or maybe it's pizza, like for this example in Pizza Hut, or even American food, right? And then the ethnicity or race or just nationality of the owner of the restaurant, you know, so that people would be able to see, oh, you know, what type of minority business am I supporting. I'd like to be able to have it so that you could click on each one of these cards and you can find all that information inside of it. So yes, this is Social Find, and thank you. I appreciate your time, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna go ahead and link the code to the that's in the GitHub in the description. So go ahead and check that out. Thank you.